Good morning, baby.
Hey,
Tell me a story.
somebody stole all my birds, man.
Girl.
I come out here, I feed the birds every time. The weather changing, it's beautiful like this. You can hear them, but you can't see them. Only one bird came to eat this morning.
Where's time to come?
I'm
He
fuck
going back and
somebody.
tell the other one there's some food down there.
If I see somebody with some motherfucking birds in the box, I get fucked up.
Girl. Don't start.
I was just
It's
thinking
too
this
early.
morning, man. Why?
What?
Why people do you like they do?
What happened?
I don't know. I don't know. Now we all know we gotta die, right?
Yeah.
Why everybody scared to die?
Because they don't know where they going.
Nah, man, I'm talking Peter. Peter hung out with Jesus every day.
Yeah.
When they came down on them, and the posse rolled up on them, they
Yeah.
finna kill him too. He said, I don't know that man.
And Peter
Would you
was
do
one of
that
his
to me?
disciples.
He was a head man. Like me, you know. Fight for him, chop a nigga face off.
Yeah.
Would you do that to me?
No, I wouldn't do that to you because people know I know you.
They knew that he knew him. You bust up in here right now. Somebody come up on this porch right now with a Uzi and say, do you know her? If you say, yeah, I'm going to kill both of y'all. You know you're going to say, I don't know her.
That's not true. I ain't know the Peter.
You gonna die. No, you ain't going to die with me.
If it's my time to go, it's my time to go. I know I'm going to heaven. I ain't scared.
How you doing? She's scared to die with me.
Why you telling people that? It's too early in the morning.
She's sucker, sir. He cracking. Shit.
I gotta go get me a
I
sweater.
ain't got time.
Oh.
I'm on my way to the courthouse. See how peaceful it is?
It's
Just the trees,
beautiful.
me, Jesus, the birds. That's what I'm talking about. Let's savor this moment.
It's beautiful.
In 2 hours, you'll hear gunshots. You gotta take every moment. Uh-oh, gotta go.